All right, guys, this is John with Louisiana Tractor Works and Projects. As y'all know, I want to convert the greenhouse into a tractor shop. And in order to do that, I must change out the roof. To do that, there's stuff in there that's got to be moved. And I have to have a place to put it until I can get the roof on it. So what I did was a few years ago, I ran across somebody that had one of them Harbor Freight portable buildings that you set up, and it's I think it's 12 by 8 or 12 by 10, something like that. All right, so I got it for really cheap. I think I paid like 50-60 bucks for it, but I've been sitting on it for a few years. It's been stored away. Never had a place to actually set it up that keep it up off the ground, that it wouldn't rot out in no time flat. I contacted a friend of mine, the same friend I did the tilling for, that he was getting them synthetic railroad cross ties. And he told me, he's like, man, I got a bunch of them over here. He said, you're more than welcome to have them. And he said, you know, come and get them and use them as you need. First is run the 12 foot by 10 foot or 8 foot, whatever it is, and then 12 foot, and then set the frame on top of that and then anchor to them things, and then you know, and then put the top on it, and that will keep the pipe and all that off the ground. And then the sheer weight of them anchored to it will make sure that the wind doesn't blow it over at all, because these things weigh a ton. They're 8 feet long, synthetic railroad cross ties. They're not made out of wood. They're made out of that same stuff that they use for decking boards, the synthetic decking boards and that. So, and I'm gonna give you a close-up on it. But he had 16 of them, so I snatched up all 16 of them. They are synthetic, and they were the old railroad cross ties, and you know, they were just you know, they were damaged in some way that they had to be changed out. So you know, so he was able to get them. The guy that he got them from actually works for the railroad company, got permission to sell it to him because it was a buddy of his. But yeah, we're gonna set these suckers down, and you know, I'm set them poles on here, anchor to it, screw to that bad boy right there, you know, and make the perimeter, all except for the front. Yeah, I think I'm gonna throw more counterweight in the bucket. I got about a third of a piece in the bucket, but I'm gonna throw more counterweight. If y'all seen what just happened there, yeah, they weigh, especially that one. That one weighed a lot. I don't know why that one's so much heavier than the rest, but that one there was stout. All right, guys. So, so we got landscape and timber. Well, railroad ties. Anyway, all right. So, this is John with Louisiana Tractor Works and Projects, and we will see y'all on the next one.